Imagine this. Every YouTube video that you come across has the potential to be a source of passive income. Any video. It might seem a bit out there, but I found something that's turning this idea into reality. And I promise you that you're about to discover something that you've never thought about before. I will show you everything step by step. And if you keep watching, you'll learn how to take this idea to the next level and 100% stand out. I know what I'm claiming here might sound too good to be true, and you're probably wondering how this could even be possible. Well, the truth is, it's not as simple as it sounds. But sometimes, the most brilliant ideas are born from thinking outside the box. So keep watching to get what I mean. Since ChatGPT released a custom GPT function, thousands of different GPTs have been created. I've been digging, trying, and testing various GPTs, but nothing really clicked until I discovered the YouTube quiz creator. And this GPT isn't just another quiz maker, it's something more unique. You simply feed it a YouTube video link and voila! It creates a quiz based on that specific video. Now, you might not be immediately impressed, but I saw untapped potential here. So let me show you how it works, and then we'll explore some exciting ways to potentially make money with this idea and take it to a new level. But before that, I have something important for you. As you know, in our last video, we explored in-video AI, which turns your line of text into custom videos. I've received a lot of positive feedback and noticed many of you are now using this tool. That's why I have something special for you today. In-video AI has just introduced a new mobile app. This means you can now easily create videos from your phone wherever you are. The app is fully optimized for mobile use, and all the features you've come to love on the desktop version are now at your fingertips on mobile. Whether it's long-form videos, YouTube Shorts, or adding subtitles, it can all be done using your phone. And to make things even easier, I'll share my secret prompt formula, which will help you generate high-quality videos effortlessly. But that's not all. If you use the code displayed on the screen, you'll receive an extra 50 minutes of video creation time absolutely free. You can download the app along with my secret formula using the link in the description. And now let's get back and see how the GPT works by using a practical example. I'll use one of my videos where we've copied the shadow work journal business with AI, if you remember. So first, copy the video link, paste it into the GPT chat, and hit enter, and the GPT will start processing, as you can see here. Next, it asks for specific instructions, such as the quiz format, which could be multiple choice or free response, the number of questions, and the difficulty level. For this example, I'm choosing a multiple choice format, 10 questions, with a mix of medium and hard difficulty. And in just seconds, the GPT generates a quiz tailored to my video. Each includes the question, choices, and the correct answer. Each question is directly related to the video's content, like this one. What was the total number of copies sold of the shadow work journal? The answer is 500,000, which is exactly as mentioned in the video. It's actually mind-blowing. All you do is input a YouTube video link into the GPT, and it quickly analyzes the video's content and generates a set of related quiz questions. Alright, this GPT is impressive, I agree with you, but how do we turn this into money? Well, the smartest way is to start a new YouTube channel focused solely on creating these quizzes. In this channel, you create quiz videos based on the videos of other famous YouTubers. It's a fresh concept that can attract a lot of viewers. People love quizzes, especially when they're about content that they already enjoy. And the great advantage here is that these popular YouTubers already have massive fan bases. This means attracting views to your videos shouldn't be a problem as long as the content is engaging and resonates with fans. I also noticed a gap in the market as there aren't channels focusing specifically on video-based quizzes. Most channels create general quizzes, not ones tailored to specific YouTube videos. And this presents a unique opportunity to fill that niche and stand out. I understand this might sound a bit complex, so let's dive deeper with a live example to clarify things. Imagine Mr. Beast just dropped a new video. Here's what we do. Grab the video link and feed it to our GPT, and it will start crafting the quiz. But we're not just making any quiz. We're aiming to create the most engaging video possible by focusing on engagement and viewer retention. So here's what I'd personally do. Categorize the questions into 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and hard. I also recommend using a different video for each stage, which will make it even more fun. So if we have 21 questions, for example, we split them evenly: 7 easy to warm up, 7 medium to keep the interest, and 7 hard to challenge the viewers. This structure guarantees to keep viewers hooked and encourages them to watch until the end. However, generating the quiz using ChatGPT is just the beginning. So let me show you some key strategies to take your videos to the next level. The hook, the first few seconds of the video, which aims to capture your viewers' attention instantly. But how? Well, it's all about hitting that spot of curiosity. For instance, if you're making a quiz on Mr. Beast videos, start with something like 99% of Mr. Beast fans couldn't answer this quiz correctly. This approach directly challenges the viewers, making them eager to see if they can match up to the quiz. But this will not get you anywhere if you don't add a personal touch. People prefer hearing a voice guiding them through the content instead of just reading the text on the screen. But if hiring a voice actor isn't in your budget, AI voices are a fantastic alternative.
And I've seen many channels finding massive success with these human-like AI voices.
So adding a voice to your videos will enhance the viewer's experience, making your content more relatable and engaging. But what will make it even more engaging is adding the right visuals and graphics. Video editing is a vast field, and it's not something I can fully cover in a couple of minutes. However, here are some tips that will make the process a bit easier. Look at similar videos for inspiration. See how they use visuals and graphics to draw in their audience. Check the colors, animation, and style, which will give you a starting point for your project. For instance, a good idea for our quiz is to use snippets from the related Mr. Beast videos as lead-ins to the quizzes. It will not only make the video more engaging, but also provide a visual context to the questions. But even if you have the best video idea and the best editing, it won't matter if you don't have a catchy title and thumbnail. These two elements can make or break your video success. How do you nail them? Let's play a quick game. I'll show you 2 video titles and I want you to decide which one you'd click on. Number 1, quiz on Mr. Beast's latest video. Number 2, only 1% could solve this Mr. Beast quiz. Now, I'm sure you've all picked number 2, as the first one doesn't really grab your attention, unlike the second option, which creates curiosity and challenges you directly. So the key is to balance clickbait and honesty without misleading your audience. Moving on to the thumbnail, my golden rule is simplicity and clarity. So if you show someone your thumbnail and he can't guess what your video is about, it's time to redesign. The thumbnail should be clear and eye-catching, but without overcrowding it with too many elements. Another important factor is the consistency in your thumbnails. Maintain a style, color scheme, and layout that's uniquely yours. Doing that will build that connection with your viewers and make your content stand out. So when we combine all these elements, from a solid video idea to an engaging hook, and from compelling content to a striking thumbnail, you get a complete package ready to captivate your audience. If you want me to create a more in-depth tutorial about this business idea, just let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in an in-depth tutorial about in-video AI, be sure to check out my previous video. And always remember, consistency is the key. It's what turns a good idea into great success.